This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make sea moss with fruit. First, let's prepare the sea moss. Begin by taking about 1 cup of dried sea moss and rinsing it thoroughly under cool, running water for several minutes to remove any debris. After rinsing, place the sea moss in a large bowl and cover it with about 4 cups of filtered water. Let it soak for a minimum of 6 hours or even up to 12 hours until it becomes soft and expands. Once your sea moss is perfectly soaked, it's time to transform it into a gel. First, drain the sea moss, but be sure to save about 1 cup of that soaking water. Now, transfer the soaked sea moss into your high-speed blender. Add 1 to 2 cups of fresh filtered water, or use the reserved soaking water if you prefer. Blend on high for about 1 to 2 minutes until you achieve a smooth, consistent, and creamy gel texture. Now for the exciting part, adding the fruit. Select about 1 to 2 cups of your favorite fresh or frozen fruits. Berries, mango, or pineapple work wonderfully. Add your chosen fruit directly into the blender with your freshly made sea moss gel. Blend everything together on high for another 1 to 2 minutes until the fruit is completely incorporated and the mixture is smooth and vibrant. This creates a delicious, nutrient-rich fruit-infused sea moss. Once your delicious fruit-infused sea moss gel is ready, transfer it into an airtight glass jar. This will help keep it fresh. Store your homemade gel in the refrigerator, where it will remain good for about 2 to 3 weeks. You can enjoy 1 to 2 tablespoons daily by adding it to your morning smoothies, stirring it into your favorite teas, or simply consuming it straight for a quick nutritional boost. It's a versatile and healthy addition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.